We'll go a little bit. We're over to the Firecracker, 4th of July, Skelley Lumber, Urbana, Ohio. Back through the woods. You can kind of see in the white, there's a round barn back here. Beautiful brick round barn, the white roof. Walk a couple rows of cars out here. This one people showed, it's like a one owner, I suppose. And they got married in the 70s, then it was their wedding car, and they're sitting right behind it. The headlights have a door that fold up. They come from over Indiana. But this car's, I think, out from Urbana, or no, Marion, and 68 Mustang. It was just finished a couple days ago.
Kind of hard to find.
Don't remember the paint like that, but someone had an idea on the front end of that.
All right. If there is anyone who is not judged and wants to be judged, you need to come
So this
to
is patriotic under the hood.
right now, so that you can get in there and do registration. And then I'm going to tell you that the
Patriotic there too. The eagle.
That means somebody's taking 700 home. So
I would think that this one's going to win a trophy.
To get things going, we want. Well, we like.
It has side pipes. It's side exit.
Trophies and get you home on this hot day. So we usually here till 4 o'clock, but I don't know what time we're going.
Back and look at this.
It takes us to get everything done, but
Check out that.
really well today.
It's a Charger.
Also, we're going to be if you want
A 30. Yeah.
raffle tickets.
30 Model A. One of the first ones.
Or that toolbox.
So this is a K5 Blazer in yellow. That's kind of wild.
$5. So get up there and get ready.
84.
50/50 zone.
Some of those had diesels. It's a Texas.
So anybody who has not been judged yet and wants to be judged, we need to get you down there and get judged. And right now, we'll give you a few minutes to get that done if you're interested in doing that. So,
That's a diesel engine.
anyway, be diligent and get things on go.
See what transmission it has. Automatic. Has the original from 84. That was something, wasn't that? I don't know. 56 Chevy. It's a beautiful show car. This guy's got about 3 Camaros. If it's the same guy, and it's always fun to see this one. People have newborns here and they have fans on the kids, and so this one looks like it comes out of their commercial with that. It's a throwback for me, huh? The guy from Fantasy Island, was it? Or I wonder how long this car has been around. It's a 327 car. Just looks familiar. And then this one, I seen it yesterday, didn't I? No, it's a different one. There's one at Plain City somewhere. It's been a while since I've seen this one. Some pretty neat mirrors. Beautiful.
Tell you what, there's some really nice cars.
Some more pretty greens. He's got the bumper delete. A roll pan or something, probably in the front and rear. 4-door car, a 6-cylinder. Judging. This one goes by my house once in a while from Springfield. Yeah, he's got Springfield red on it. kind of row of local people. They're all together and under tents and stuff, socializing. You know, I thought that was a Ferrari for a minute. No, I thought that was a Viper. Beautiful Corvettes. So there's one you don't see every day. We had a blue one. It's got the gas cap open for some reason. It's got an HEI on it. Kind of neat options. I remember going to Florida in one of these when I was a kid. That's what Jeff over there, he had one of these he sold. It's a clamshell, it just opens up. Well, the window goes down into the gate. Kind of a neat paint scheme on this guy. There's the fish guy. The fried fish guy. I don't know. Pretty well. Guy's got the taillights and stuff. He sells those walleye sandwiches. Was that walleye? Yeah, the fish sandwiches. Pretty good french fries too. There's some good food here. I think a lot of people come here just for the food, actually. Be a good spot to do some food videos. People like to watch those food videos, don't they? So there's the bike crowd. I'd like to see more bikes, but certain time of day too. Some more cars that I've seen before and people I've seen before. The car that appreciates in value every day. It's a unique color. They only had like 6 different colors. Hand-built cars. Beautiful truck. It's a 34. This thing is just 34 Dodge with a suicide door. Remember, that car's kind of sitting where it was last year and we had rain. Let's see if something up through here or down through here grabs us. Wow, that's a nice, beautiful Nova. Wow. And at 2022, that's pretty new. Got it all decked out. I see this one at Springfield once in a while. I might see it again. I might see her too. I don't know. See him again Sunday at the Springfield show. Another car with this. It's a Nova, and he's got the turbo under there. So, a couple and another Nova. So, super wild. Wow, look at the paint job on that. Isn't that wild? Is that a Yenko? It's a Yenko tribute. And wow, 66. Big parade car with this other Nova, Yenko tribute. And a more stalker looking one, 69. With a regular trunk. And wow, a couple good guys cars, 30s cars. Huh. More parade cars and Mustangs. This is one of my favorite cars right here. I seen a car like that burned to the ground once. It was just as pretty as that one. Oh wow, has an orange to it. You know, I haven't checked the price on one of those for a long time. Those were $50,000 like 50 years ago. But anyway, yeah, I'd like to go check a valuation on a T-Bird again. Like that. It's got to be over 6 figures. So, Skelley Lumber over here for the Firecracker on the 4th of July. The Burger Thanks for watching.